Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your One UI version and the widget sizes your phone supports. This matters because layout options differ. Next, open the Widget Creation app or the stock widget editor and tap Create. This immediately opens the canvas so you can place elements. Choose a data source now, an app shortcut, a URL, or an automation feed from Tasker. Once you select the source, make sure to name the widget and pick the size. This avoids rework later and keeps alignment consistent. You now design the widget's visual layout. Place text, images, and buttons using grid snapping so elements align cleanly. Once done, configure the data update frequency and grant any required permissions. Make sure background refresh is enabled if the widget needs live updates. Then link actions. Assign tap behavior to open an app, add deep links to specific screens, or use custom intents for automation. While you work, preview frequently on multiple sizes so icons and text remain legible across 1x1, 2x2, and 4x2 variants. You finish by saving or exporting the widget, then add it to the home screen to test each size and interaction. After deployment, monitor battery and data use, reduce update frequency, or switch to push updates if consumption is high. If the widget fails to refresh or actions don't work, clear the widget cache, regrant app permissions, and reboot the device. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, rebuild the widget with simplified elements to isolate the faulty component before restoring full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.